Mail time. Okay, so I recently picked up a small bayonet collection from a fellow collector who no longer needed this in their personal collection, and it's sort of a mix assortment of random bayonets. And since I am not a bayonet expert, I was hoping some of you might be able to help me out. So this came in. I've got most of it open here, but let's go ahead and get in. It's a pretty good sized box, so let's get in and take a look here. Okay, here we go. Let's have a look and see what's in here. First thing I noticed is this frog. Now this to me looks... Well, I'm not even going to speculate because I don't know. This is not my area of expertise. I'm not seeing any identifying marks on here. So the theme of this video is going to be, if you know what this is, please let me know. Alright, so we have one of these frogs here. This came undone. Okay, so the main reason I bought this collection was for two reasons. One, there was an item in here that I think I need for my personal collection, and two, there was an item in here I'm hoping to gift for a friend if this fits his particular rifle. So, and I think that's this one right here. These two right here, apparently. Yikes. Yeah, these are all in rather rough condition, but I believe that this is an Arisaka bayonet. And my friend Jerry just happens to have a rifle, and I bet he would like one of these. Wow, okay, so two of them. I believe these are both the same. So it looks as if these were out on display or something. There's quite a bit of, looks like oxidation and just general rust. So, okay, that's funny. It's sort of offset. I wonder if I like that. Okay, so looks like this has been painted and is pretty rusty and loose. So anyway, we'll have to take a look. But this will be good. Hopefully I can gift this to my friend Jerry around Thanksgiving. So let's see what else is in here. Okay, this is really long. Man, it looks like these came open during shipping. So here we have, I'm not sure. Again, looks like we're missing a button here. There is a serial number here on the hilt as well as on the scabbard, and I cannot make out these proofs at the moment. I have a number 2. Oh, interesting. Wow. Okie doke. There's some script here. Let's have a look at that. 1876. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. All right, there's some script here, and I can make out a little bit of it, but I'm gonna have to do some further research. And it looks almost as if that's an Argentine proof there. But we will have to see. This script is pretty interesting. Anyway, so here's the scabbard. Again, it's in similar condition. Looks like it's been out on display and just generally not cared for. So we'll have to see if we can clean these up. But before I begin any of that process, I'm going to take a look into what these might be specifically before I do any further damage. All right, let's continue on here. Oops, that's nice. Okay, this is not... Looks like a brass and leather scabbard. Issues with the wood there. But if I almost want to say this is a 1908 Mauser bayonet. But again, when it comes to bayonets, I am practically illiterate. But more markings here. It does remind me of a 1908 that a friend of mine just showed me the other day. Anyway, that's pretty cool. That's a nice mix of this brass and looks like leather. Okay, we do have a mark here. All right, let's see what else is in here. Let's start here. Now, I should know what this is, but I don't. We have a K here, and we have a circle with an arrow here. I'm not sure if this goes to make a brown bess or something like that. I don't know, but I'm excited to learn about something. And again, you can see here that there is pitting and just dirt, some active rust. Probably get rid of that, but I'd like to double check on exactly what these are before I start working on them. So anyway, that's cool. This had a rough trip over here because it's pretty beat up. Okay, now this one is the one that I wanted for my collection, and I believe this is a Carcano bayonet. And this is the some pretty good rust in there. Might clean up. But we'll see. I hope that this is the later type bayonet, because I don't have one of those. Okay, scabbard's in pretty good shape. Again, the brass and leather that I think looks nice, just like this guy down here. Wow, okay, so that's pretty cool. It looks like we have one more here. Man, these really got beat up, didn't they? There's a sticker here. Wow, this is cool. This is cool. I have no clue what this is, but it's long. And it's very intriguing. This is really good quality, whatever it is. Let's take a look here. Oh, cruciform. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be fun. All right. There's some grease in there. Oh wow. But this is cool. Got some good rust there, but that's a little bit of surface rust that might come off. Still some grease and other things in here, but wow. This appears, yeah, this is cool. I'm interested to see what this is, actually. So, all right. I guess, I mean, this was a gamble for me, but if I can get the two that I was looking for, I think that's, no, there's one more. Nothing like a good machete. Let's see. Ooh. Very cool. Very cool. We do have some condition issues here. Or some beautiful patina, if that's your thing. Very nice though. There appears to be a rivet missing here. But some good US markings right there. Very cool. Very, very cool. This is nice. All right, let me get all this crap out of the way and show you this collection. All right, so excuse the workspace. I'm in the process of fixing another M1 over here, but I wanted to show off this collection mostly because I need some help. If you can identify any of these and let me know, I would be greatly appreciative. So again, I purchased this so that I could get what I'm hoping is a correct Carcano bayonet. And this does fit. It's going to take some cleaning. Got some definite gunk in there that's been living inside. Now again, it leads me to believe that these were out on display in the open air and collected so much dust and oxidation, that sort of thing. Anyway, so I bought this for myself to have this Carcano bayonet, and hopefully to be able to give one of these to a friend of mine in the next month or so. And it looks like hopefully I can get one of these cleaned up nice for him, and that he will appreciate that. As an added bonus, I got the rest of these. So this one, I don't know what any of these are, honestly. I think this is, I want to say this is a 1908 Mauser. Possibly, no. So I'm just going to keep my mouth shut there. And this machete is really cool. Anyway, yeah. And this one is just fascinating to me. The cruciform with a pretty unique attaching mechanism here. I haven't seen before. Anyway, this is really cool. So please, if you guys know any of these, let me know. I would really appreciate it. So clearly I still don't collect bayonets, but I thought it might be appropriate to pick up this book entitled Bayonets from this person's notebook. Apparently this is a pretty good source of some drawings and things that I can reference. So I'm going to jump in here and see if I can't find out some information about these. And I always love to show a piece of reference material, so just in case you're interested and don't collect bayonets just like me.